Hello stalkers, welcome back. Last week was very interesting. We saw some good moves in the market. Let's start analyzing DFM market index on the higher time frame. I'm on the weekly chart. We can see a solid green candle and a breakout of important resistance, that is 5296 points. Something very important to highlight here is we can see market went sideways for about 4 to 5 weeks, and then finally we are seeing a solid momentum that was last week, and this is looking very promising. Looking at the price action, market is extremely bullish on the weekly chart as well. We are climbing up aggressively without any deeper correction. Yes, we can see some pauses that are healthy, like here, even here, and this is a good area where market consolidated for 4 to 5 weeks and then a breakout. So there are very good chances from here on the weekly chart we may see momentum to the upside, and we have resistance around 5393 points. For strong support, obviously, since market has consolidated into this zone, if at all market wants to come down for a retest, then this zone is very stronger, that is around 5190 points. If that fails, then we have 5115. But most likely, looking at this scenario, there are very good chances market wants to go higher. Let's go down on daily and see how the chart is looking. And here we can clearly see nice bullish price action after the correction phase. Check this out. This was the correction that I had been mentioning. From here we saw a small drop till about 5119 points, and from here market is been climbing up. On the way up we had resistance at around 5250 to 5260 points. Market took a pause here, and then we saw a breakout of this resistance, that is 5296 points. Market broke to the upside, came back for a retest, and now this is looking good for a continuation. As I mentioned, next area of resistance is 5393. Once market breaks, then we should see a retest hopefully, and then we have psychological resistance at 5500. We will see what the market is doing here, and then next level that I have identified is 5565. Let's highlight this zone and keep it ready on our charts. This is the next hurdle for the market once this zone is cleared out. Obviously, on the way up, we might see dips and correction phases, and then we may see a good upside momentum. Overall, DFM market is performing very well. They are very good stocks, so let's grab the opportunities. This is the weekly chart of ADX market index, that is Abu Dhabi Securities Exchange. It also performed very well. If you remember my last analysis, I had mentioned after the breakout of this resistance area, there are very good chances market can continue going up, and it may visit next area of resistance, that is 9653 points. After the breakout, we have not seen any correction. This is the chart pattern that ADX market index was trading in, and this is the breakout that was a confirmation. From here we saw continuous upside momentum. So far we did not see any candle breaking the low of previous candle. Say for example, after this breakout, this was the low, it was not broken. Next candle's low here and here, and this is the last candle's low. So far market is just climbing up. It's breaking the high of the last candles. This is a good sign of bullishness. Overall, ADX market on the weekly chart is looking positive. Let's go down to daily, and here we can see some signs that market may want to come down for a correction. As we can see, market was not able to sustain here, that is 9653 points. Market dropped down, and this indicates there are chances we may see correction till about 9600, or it can even come down a bit lower around 9590 points, and then possibly a U-turn to the upside. Even if the market comes down into this zone, I think this is strong support area. We may see a rebound, that too if at all market wants to come down for a correction. Otherwise, there are very good chances if big stocks perform well, then market can most likely take a pause into this zone, and then we may see upside momentum from here itself. Next area of resistance we know is 9688 and then 9727 points. Hopefully market should not break this strong area of support, that is 9563 points. We can see good consolidation phase here, so if at all markets drops down, we should see good demand into this zone, establishes its support, and then to the upside. Overall, ADX market is also positive. Any dip should not be considered negative. It will be just a retest of the support areas. One of the stock that performed very well last week is Salic. We can see a nice momentum in this stock and with good volumes. Previously, we know this area is resistance right from here, that is around 5.88. Market dropped aggressively. We can see mostly red candles. From here, a recovery was seen, but it was not able to break past this area of resistance. We saw around 60% recovery of this drop, and then again market came down, breaking the support area till about 4.76, and from here we are seeing nice bullish price action. Something very important is it broke the resistance, showing good sign, good strength of bulls. Check this out, this area is resistance, even this area is resistance. This was immediate resistance. It has been breaking the immediate resistance and major resistance areas, so this is looking very powerful, very strong. As of now, clearly we can see a nice bullish price action. Resistance of 5.41 is also taken out. From here, there are very good chances of continuation to the upside. This will be the major zone where market potentially may react negatively, because they must be buyers who bought into this area and they are still holding. They want to cover up their losses. So when it hits into this zone, we might see either a drop or it can either go sideways to correct itself, and then we will wait for a breakout to the upside so that we can confirm resistance is taken out, and then we may plan fresh entries. As of now, it is still good for entries. We can see a solid green candle. If it opens flat or with a gap up, this is positive. There are chances it can travel up till about 5.85. So still there is good space remaining. You may plan your stop losses as per your risk appetite and plan your quantities. Overall, Salic is now looking very positive. It has started trending again after the correction phase. Hit the like button if today's video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Keep stocking.